the Deputy Minister of Communication, Vice President, President 1, President 2. We are President 3. Ade. Omananto mapano. Kente una wonyune. And I said, dear,
my mama Kwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so were frame Ajua searching. Ebusian for a family or journalist political talk show every morning via Pure FM on in a bidra for a discussion efa and sema so politics. Na Friday a train win or more discussion on ye and no more say rumors be elbow yet it won't frame him. She said, and Andrew will be sad fellows of Fosukwache, spokesperson for the government, yeah. Or said, John Dramani Mahama and His Excellency and address of a third term. And so yet it. Now, in 7 wobby, Ura Kwame Adinkra&Co, ne fairness. And here they have Mahama Kwahi over quarter term. Why, what? Assemblyman or more kind of mean by me. What be MP, Minister, a Vice President, Aqua San Swaba. Yes, I'm so far Kunjana view. Nagana no day. And Nagana Kunjano, yes, same His Excellency John Dramani Muhammad and Nebushian for. In Penfono will call room country, do you ever see and Kunjagana Kunjo what the Amman penny for international. What's wrong, Muhammad needing one because we don't think madness. And this way, you are not John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency is not going any third term. Ya to Abamano. Eka ho abeso afna mu se 3 times so said man and to us 9 and rensi. Ai enya de besi. Nti ne yenti ensi mo de etu dwomo HS ade Ghana konwa no. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Diana. Nti esen no esi ekoy.
I think he's strong enough to go for another 4 more years. By the time I don't know, Trump people are urging him say, "Obeko te dada." Abraham Nipano ekonente already. Na President Mahama, how old is he? 17 going under me. So no, he can go to that extent. But here's the catch: a lot of his proponents, people that backed him, almost so-called neutrals now, neutrals no, they don't seem to agree. Martin Pebu of all people say, "Sa matano." A young possible do Supreme Court because you were some name constitution more Kwame. Okay, it's all plain. A young Mubia. I was say, Hona, I say, President Bia or my 2 times. 2 times, no ambiguity.
Yes.
It is a President Mama now, opportunity 1, opportunity 2, also a Cotrea. Hona mora issue no be say ye na atifia ye mpese obidia dia na se mpese obeyman panyin be ka say we die e do frupe if you say dia pa ade ba kwa campaign message ba kwa President Trump e di ko America those days on e face so Mrs. Clinton face so ade be sin na maybe yada na me ntia machida and say you people started from Republican internals no about no me say 11 as a 12 Ben Carson count Dr. Ben Carson what's it you people with the session of Dr. Carson you have to be in politics 25, 30 years, we come for 10 years. What is it that you have done for the country? Unya opportunity here. Actually, yes, I'm 4 years as president and son watching me by you. Kwame, none of them could answer. Obviously, Mrs. Clinton, you and your husband, you've been in politics for almost 40 years. No, 40 years in the Joe Biden. And true, Joe Biden was in the politics from the 70s. And they are doing the America, New Joe Biden Gama. ABC Necro be president Koyakran. When you were bien, America, New Joe Biden Gama. Obama, Moon, buy. You get a point. It's President Mahama, where the member of parliament almost 12 or 4 times, 16 years in parliament. And they are the Deputy Minister of Communication, Vice President, President 1, President 2. We are President 3. Ade. Omananto mapano. Kente una wonyune. And I said, dear, I get it. Me can say, woman, you try to say, these are some of the arguments that they will give. Said they okay. So, penny here. You shouldn't even dream about it.
I said, there was someone the glasses of the
it will coerce Anna, one here, a home, and the dinner party in Ebeba. It you know, say, because you on this no one bit me the president. And I will cry, no party crowd, last election, people contested you. 2 great men. Dr. Adufo, they want to maybe you. But Kojo was still a young man. So that say, no maybe I want no one say, President, you the area of a co. So, Caso could be one where we would do chatters or move from wow camp. Now, a day, Anna, or pass a oye dotoa, ebia uniwa, obient minye, Mampa Wincham. Professor Demensa, a free convernochino. I mean, a lot of people are paid for obvious reasons. Forget about internal when we knew we can't get to know so any papa, so any papa. By any tiabonteno, I nim convernochi free and quite a Nema kakra wono 2 years as a 3 years wo ba ho akoso wo Kwame no Kwame who dreamed say Kwame will turn around in 2 years like this abra na e won krofo mo nyini chain no tu kwan chain no mo dwese mo nim bibia bi kra ska wo mo sam chain no o mo transo o mo din kra na won te already so kra na good morning. This young man came and almost everywhere around the hospital has had a facelift. Can we say because of that you know ye man free order? No. And you just walk of President Mahama one consider say, hey, I quite say Kanema, I think to man to know you. But Kwame, different nipa. So ye new pa, Ochina, ye that's all now you are. It's animal. It end to be one as every day. We have to believe in the commonality, say, and Yamim Kwa and it you know sometimes also show Nemani na the Guya, or quite a friend Ratica near Kay. See, I agree Koya and found who do be the enemy.
Oh. Or from a week ago, I say, no, I bought me companies, me no. Or from me, I no bought me companies, or bought me no. No, I bought company, we no, I bought company, I say, I am media. I say, Kwame, ya year Juma, ya year Juma, free January, I be seen the year now. Me make community one ye. Our masters will Lego. No, friend, I catch a free no Bobby companies me no ding. All because of more they give me a say. Yeah, has our companies in me no. Me dia kwako ye adwuma agi abansika ana adwuma ye de ma me ya na amanye. Sebe ye nya bronya ye che na on kasa bi. A week ago me classmate. Our master's program will go and a friend. Or friend me and not from national security. Friend me and obo me companies in me no din. Was say companies way or there. Nam say no abose kan wan nam say media. Oh because omo wadwene bi say ebia na MPP wa power no. Me de sa companies in me no anya sika say tam. To omadigi ya de yen say ja kwa na life man ye nya no nche no.
Omadigi and de ge kra.
Emfa. Tinia se semenka watu afom ne de owura gina yie aboa gina mo ade onya to fom ne de a no wa prepare o nti o ma to afom a me classmate na bo mama ne no achini baba de ase so mo ye bia o maye menyi aban adwuma bia we ye me classmate o national security secretariat na frame ya kachirem so ya we company we ya odia say ni say na wo di chairman na ye den nya sika nam se ndie me chairman me ko di mama bo amane o na man ko bodo mama amane say man ko kan kire na nado dan ko akofo de me be di chairman me chairman me be di no na me pole nya me no bia na susu hu o